Morning, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus with our weekly look at the cattle and hog markets. Start with cattle. They're making a quick recovery. Just like they went up too much, I've talked about funds typically drive us higher than we need to go. When they were exiting, we went down more than we needed to go, and we had a pretty major low set when the Nebraska beef plant shut down, kind of drove us lower, and then we're making a really quick recovery. Right now, I'm looking for February live cattle be able to get back to at least 230. I think we jump over 230 a little bit. You might have to be a seller there. We've got a big gap on the chart to close. So just kind of watch for that. 230 in February live cattle. Start thinking about how do I get defensive if we get above there again. The main thing is beef supplies are very tight. That's not going away. We don't have the border open with Mexico for beef imports or cattle imports because of the screwworm situation. So that's going to keep driving feeders. I think feeders have a little more room to run here. That's an exciting market. Somebody's trading that, making or losing a lot of money every day. So when it goes $5 higher a day or lower a day, that's big movement. So looking up on cattle, but be ready to be defensive if we get to some of those levels I talked about. Hog market, getting a little bounce here, a little help from swine fever showing up in Spain. That's Europe's biggest exporter of pork. So hopes that demand for U.S. pork picks up a little bit. I've been talking about February hogs getting up towards 85. I think they're headed there. It's been a slow but sure climb to get above 80, but nice we saw a little pullback below 80 this week, quickly running to support. So I think you look for February hogs to eventually jump up. I'm looking somewhere in between 84 and 86. If we get there, I probably wouldn't mess around. Just get some hedge positions in place to make sure you got a good price secured there. Otherwise, there's not really much positive news going on for hogs. So take advantage if they do recover a little bit here. That's all for today. We'll be back next week with another update. Thanks.